pati yung mga universities from Mindanao, dumagdag na din po sa boses ng ating mga mamamayang Pilipino sa mga kumukondina sa ginagawa ngayon ng Senado. Ito yung pinalabas nilang joint statement from the deans of the 5 Ateneo schools and College of Law on the immediate commencement of the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Simirman Duterte Carpio. Ngayon pa lang mga kababayan nila ito nilabas 2 hours ago. Mag-display ng impartiality yung mga uupo na senator judges. Kaya lang, yung mga Duterte senators, wala pang trial, may acquittal na po, nagsalita na sila in public without shame. Mga kababayan, lantara na pagsasalaula sa kanilang posisyon na pahiraman lang natin sa kanila. Si Bato de la Rosa, si Amy Marcos.
Nagpapagang mga balita at pagtalakay sa mga isyu ng lipunan. Bulsa! Opinyon, banat at paglalantad sa katotohanan. Bulsa! What you see is what you get. You decide.
Hello po mga manoy, mga manay, mga tugang. Si Dante Maravillas po, Bicolano vlogger from Albay. So, basado po sa mga developments ng balita, pati yung mga universities from Mindanao, dumagdag na din po sa boses ng ating mga mamamayang Pilipino sa mga kumukondina sa ginagawa ngayon ng Senado. Una yung mga universities, colleges from Metro Manila. And this time, nadagdagan pa mga kababayan, pati yung mga universities from Mindanao. So makikita ninyo ang increasing pressure galing sa ating mga mamamayang Pilipino sa pagsasalaula mga kababayan ng ating mga senador sa pamumuno ni Senate President Chis Escudero sa ating institusyon, the Senate, the last bastion of democracy. 5 universities from Mindanao, mga kababayan. Ito yung pinalabas nilang joint statement from the deans of the 5 Ateneo schools and College of Law on the immediate commencement of the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Simirman Duterte Carpio. Ngayon pa lang mga kababayan nila ito nilabas 2 hours ago. Yan Ateneo de Davao University. Mula mismo sa lugar ni Sara Duterte ni Digong, Davao, hindi na nagugustuhan ang ginagawa ng Senado na gustong i-cover up. Yan ang intensyon mga kababayan. I-cover up ang mga kinakarap na kaso ni Sara Duterte na napakabibigat base doon sa articles of impeachment. So sabi dito mga kababayan sa kanilang statement, we, the undersigned deans of the schools and colleges of Law of Ateneo de Manila University, Xavier University, Ateneo de Cagayan, Ateneo de Davao University, Ateneo de Zamboanga University, and Ateneo de Naga University collectively call for the immediate commencement of the impeachment trial against Vice President Sara Simirman Duterte Carpio and its continuation into the 20th Congress if necessary. Pati pala yung dito sa amin, Ateneo de Naga University, lugar mga kababayan ni Leni Robredo, nagsalita na rin ngayon pa lang. So boses na ng mga Bicolano, mga kababayan. Sumama na si Chis Escudero, taga Sorsogon po. So sabi sa kanilang statement, we confirm that as a Jesuit, Filipino and Catholic legal educational institutions, we are deeply committed in our teaching information missions to truth, justice, in the rule of law. Wala nang rule of law pag hindi ninyo itinuloy ang impeachment trial. Kasi mismo na yung ating saligang batas ang dinurog ninyo. Nilabag ninyo yung ating saligang batas. So sabi nga natin, ano pang rason for the Senate to exist? Pag ganyan po, i-abolish na natin. I-demolish na natin yung Senado. Kasi infected ng mga walang hiyang senador. Garapalan po ang kanilang ginagawa. Ang kanilang pinapakita na pag-disregard sa ating saligang batas. Tapos sisweldo sila mula sa taxes ng ating mga kababayan. Hindi po tayo papayag sa ganon. Kaya sabi ng mga kilalang universities from Mindanao and Bicol, thus as educators, we are called upon by our Ignatian Foundation to educate men and women to embrace and build social, economic, and political structures that will preserve our common humanity in our collective interest as Filipinos,
so as to foster the promotion of justice and the spirit of service and the pursuit of the greatest universal good. Thus, not only do we teach law and preach justice, we also teach with equal measure its faithful application.
Gusto nilang i-shortcut, mga kababayan. Ayaw nila talaga na mapanagot si Sara Duterte dahil sa kanilang mga political selfish interest po. Karumal-dumal ang kanilang mga ginagawa, mga kababayan, ngayon sa Senado.
Yes, sabi ng mga deans ng 5 mga universities from Mindanao and Bicol, as Filipino citizens in a democratic and republican form of government where sovereignty resides in the people from whom all government authority emanates, it is a fundamental recognition that the powers and functions exercised by all government agencies and public officials are merely reposed in them by the people for the time being in the interest of good governance and the common good, with duties in condition imposed by the Constitution.
We are supreme, mga kababayan, sovereign Filipino people. Kaya tayong sovereign Filipino people, pag hindi nila tinupad ang mandato sa kanila, ang duty nila mula sa ating konstitusyon, tatanggalin natin itong mga senador. We have the power as the sovereign Filipino people. Kakaladkarin natin yung mga senador na winawalang hiya ang ating saligang batas, mga kababayan. Wala silang karapatan na mag-stay as senator ng Republika kasi nga po, lumalabas ang kanilang pinaglilingkuran isang pamilya lang.
Thus, we adhere to the time-honored principle that public office is a public trust that must be faithfully respected and protected in the name of the sovereign Filipino people. After all, the framers put primacy on the integrity of the public service by declaring it as a constitutional principle and state policy. More significantly, the 1987 Constitution strengthened and solidified what has been first proclaimed in the 1973 Constitution by commanding public officers to be accountable to the people at all times. Thus, accountability of public officials for their acts and omissions cannot and should not be overridden by a resort to obfuscating technicalities and political and or self-serving maneuverings. Pangatlo, sabi ng mga deans ng mga known universities from Mindanao and Bicol, bilang mga advocates of the rule of law, we submit to the supremacy of the Constitution as the fundamental law of the land. As such, faithful obedience to the constitutional mandates is requisite and mandatory, hence not discretionary and optional. It is what we have all subscribed to when we ratify the Constitution. It is what we are being called to observe and obey now.
Ayaw sundin, mga kababayan, yung mandato to forthwith proceed with the trial. Winawalang hiya ng ating mga senador, ang ating konstitusyon. Hindi po tayo papayag, mga kababayan.
It is based on these foregoing principles and spirit that we expressly urge the Senate of the Philippines to immediately commence the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte Carpio and for a fair, impartial, and speedy disposition of the case, which not only upholds public office accountability, but one that also respects due process as enshrined and mandated in our Constitution.
So kailangan po mag-display ng impartiality yung mga uupo na senator judges. Kaya lang, yung mga Duterte senators, wala pang trial, may acquittal na po, nagsalita na sila in public without shame. Mga kababayan, lantara na pagsasalaula sa kanilang posisyon na pahiraman lang natin sa kanila. Si Bato de la Rosa, si Amy Marcos, si Bongo, si Robin Padilla, si Marcoleta. Kaya nga po yung ating demand, isama ninyo sa inyong pagsisigaw dyan sa harap ng Senado. Yung mga nag-display na po ng partiality. Itong mga sinabi kong mga senador, kailangan po mag-inhibit sila. We have to petition them, the Senate. Di dapat sumama itong mga senador na to na maging West, kung gusto nilang ipagtanggol itong si Sara Duterte, di umupo sila doon sa defense, not as judges. Kasi yung dapat na umuupong West po, impartial. Tama itong sinabi ng mga deans ng College of Law, itong Ateneo, fair, impartial. Wala nang fairness po dito sa mga Duterte senators. Arap-arapan, sinasabi nila, lalo si Amy Marcos, sabi ni Amy Marcos, talo na niya kayo. tanggapin na ninyo, talo kayo. Imagine that. Ganon din si Marcoleta sa speech niya mga kababayan doon sa The Hague. Mas grabe itong si Bato de la Rosa. May pinakalat pang resolusyon. Impacto dismissal ang gusto niya. Hindi de facto impacto. Ang impacto kasi yung galing impacto. So sabi po nitong statement ng mga universities, our constitution is clear in categorical. Once the articles of impeachment have been filed and transmitted by at least 1/3 of all the members of the House of Representatives, trial by the Senate shall forthwith proceed without conditions or qualification and without equivocation or obstruction. Moreover, the nature of the Senate as a continuing body has been firmly settled with the exception only of day-to-day business like legislative bills and investigation. When the court held that certainly there is no debate that the Senate as an institution is continuing as it is not dissolved as an entity with its national election or change in the composition of its members. However, in the conduct of its day-to-day business, the Senate of its Congress acts separately and independently of the Senate of the Congress before it. Malinaw po, naintindihan po ito ng mga senador. Kaya lang talagang sinasadya nila na i-confuse ang kanilang isipan, lalo na po ni Tolentino. Nagsalita na po yung mga constitutionalist natin, retired justices, mga deans, mga legal luminaries, pari-parehas po ang stand nila. Continuing body po ang Senado. Pero talagang ginugulo nila, sinasadyang guluhin, sinasadyang hindi intindihin para may rason, may palusot sila magamit na hindi po ituloy ang impeachment trial para makalusot si Sara Duterte. Hindi papayag yung ating mga mamamayang Filipino sa agenda po ninyo na makasarili.
From the aforequoted pronouncement of the court, it is clear that the Senate is a continuing body as an impeachment court, which is a quasi-judicial function and which in no wise can be considered as a legislative function that could expire at the end of its Congress. Once the impeachment trial commences, and beyond political colors and affiliations, we likewise urge and call on the Philippine Senate to remain impartial and non-partisan to ensure that the constitutional guarantees of due process and equal protection of laws of the respondent are respected and safeguarded.
So once kayo po na-convene as an impeachment court, dapat you act as a judge. Senator judge nga yung tawag sa inyo. Ang judge po, hindi nagdi-display ng partiality. Nakakita na kayong judge na daldal ng daldal tungkol sa kaso? Wala kayo. Kasi wala pang ang presentation ng ebidensya. May judgment na kayo. Kung hindi ninyo yon, magagampanan ang pagiging impartial senator judge, di mag-inhibit kayo. Tama po. So ito yung panawagan natin. Lalo na po dito sa prosecution mismo. House panel, mag-motion po kayo siguro. Ipa-inhibit itong mga senador ni Duterte. Kasi nagsalita na sila. May posisyon na sila. Acquittal ang kanilang posisyon. Without trial, without the benefit of trial. Or somebody from the Philippine Bar Association or IBP, Integrated Bar of the Philippines. Kailangan mag-submit kayo po ng petisyon. Pati itong mga law deans. Isang lang po, petition siguro, pirmahan ninyo na itong mga senador, si Bato, si Aimee, si Bongo, si Robin, si Marcoleta, itong mga Duterte senators, kailangan mag-inhibit sila. Bakit? Ang kanila pong pag-upo bilang mga senator judges demands fairness, impartiality.
So sabi dito sa kanilang statement, we are making this urgent call in faithful response to our moral and spiritual duty as educators and formators of future Ateneo lawyers. We pray that the Philippine Senate will likewise respond to its moral and constitutional duty as a true servant of the public, upon whom the public trust is reposed, one that is faithful to the truth and to the Filipino people. Firmado, Manuel Quibod, Dean, Ateneo de Davao University College of Law. Domnina Rances, Dean, Ateneo de Naga University College of Law sa Naga City, Bicol. Silvia Jo Sabio, Dean, Xavier University Ateneo de Cagayan School of Law. Jose Maria Hofilinia, Dean, Ateneo de Manila University School of Law. Tapos si Corazon Montemor, Dean Ateneo de Zamboanga University, Rosendo U. Castillo Jr. College of Law. Because sa inyo, padami ng padami, mga kababayan, ang nagagalit sa pagsasalaula ng Senado sa ating konstitusyon. Garapalan po na winawalang hiya nila yung ating konstitusyon. Mapagtatpan lang po ang kanilang kaalyado. O ngayon, isa pang eskwelahan dumagdag ngayon na araw na to. Ito yung statement galing sa Adamson University. Yan o. Adamson University call for the Senate to forthwith proceed with the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte. The entire Adamson University stands united in our firm call for the Senate of the Philippines to forthwith proceed with the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte. We express deep concern over any and all efforts to delay, obstruct, or prematurely dismiss this constitutionally mandated process. The 1987 Philippine Constitution provision clearly states that in case the verified complaint or resolution of impeachment is filed by at least 1/3 of all the members of the House, the same shall constitute the articles of impeachment, and trial by the Senate shall forthwith proceed. This is a clear constitutional order to act immediately and does not in any way imply that the Senate has discretionary powers in this regard. Thus, any delay or refusal to act undermines this express mandate and weakens the foundation of our democratic institution. The Adamson University, Adamson community strongly demonstrated a clear sentiment within our academic institution regarding the urgency and importance of this constitutional process. When we held an impeachment forum last February 28, 2025, which was also participated by other schools. Today, we are again pounding on the doors of the Senate to rise above political expediency and to perform the constitutional duty with integrity and transparency. Kaya nakikita natin, nangangamoy na po ang people power. Ito lang na mga universities na to, yung population nito, mga eskwela na pwedeng immobilize para barikadan yung Senado. Enough para po sila, dapat silang kabahan na ngayon. Matutulad sila kay Erap Estrada. Si Erap Estrada, mga kababayan, presidente. But this time, this will be the first time ng people power sa Senado, mga kababayan. Hindi sa palasyo, kundi sa Senado. To our dear senators, this is not the time for neutrality or passive observation. This is the time for principled leadership in decisive action. Do what is right instead of what is convenient for you. You must immediately commence impeachment proceedings as mandated by the Constitution. Without further delay, you have procrastinated far too long. The nation is watching. Honor your oath and uphold our supreme law. You owe this to the Filipino people. The Constitution demands action forthwith, and so do we. Pirmado, mga kababayan, Father Daniel Franklin Pilario, CM, University President. Attorney Catherine Panguban, Director, Adamson Law Legal Aid Office. Father Aldrin Suwan, Vice President for Student Affairs. Attorney Susie Claire Siliesa. Attorney Alpeca Adolfo Madrid. Attorney Cyrus Victor Sualog. Attorney Ana Marie Abad, Dean of College of Law. Attorney William Biloso Jr., Attorney Joel Britannia, then Adamson Law, Student Government. O ano kayo ngayon, mga senador? Hindi ninyo pakikinggan. O, tingnan natin ito kung anong abutin ninyo. Firmax Firming and Lifting Cream, pinapahid po sa mga pulses in affected area. Mainam po sa paninigas ng mga kaso-kasuan. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application. Anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Neng siya red mixed fruit drink. Hindi mo po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry may anti-cancer properties. O ngayon, yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiritso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos pa? Ayos na ayos niya, Mr. Maravilla. At sa mga nagana po ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym.
May Grab Car Rental din po kami.
Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. iGlow Serum Whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas.